So you've made the switch from a personal Instagram account to a business account and you can't wait to start posting, get more followers, more leads and hopefully more clients. But suddenly you realize that the business category displayed on your Instagram account is the wrong one and doesn't really fit with your business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram business category step by step in a matter of minutes. And although changing category is very easy, the update is not displayed instantly on your account, and a lot of you are struggling to even see it at all. If that's the case, watch the video until the end, where I will give you 3 troubleshooting techniques to make sure your new category is visible on your business profile. Hi everyone, I'm Luc Durand, the founder of rankingacademy.co.uk. If you're a small business owner and are trying to get better online results, you've come to the right channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do it now and hit the bell button so you get notified first as soon as I publish a new video. So, let me run you through what you need to do to change your category. If you've been looking desperately into your Instagram account settings to change your category, stop. It's not there. If you remember switching your personal Instagram account to a business one, you may recall coming across this screen in the process. You need to connect to your Facebook business page to create your Instagram business account, and that's where your business category gets pulled from. If you want to change your business category on Instagram, you guessed it, you must change your business category on your Facebook business page. Let's just do that. Log into your Facebook account and go to your business page. Select the About option on the left-hand side menu. If you can't see the About option, click on the See More link, which would reveal the About link. Then click on the About link, scroll down to the General section, and click the Edit link next to the category. Delete the existing category from the field and choose a new one. Then save. Theoretically, this should also update your category on your Instagram business account, but you'll find that unfortunately, this modification is not instant and it may take a little while for your Instagram business account to update. My recommendation is to wait at least 24 hours to see if the change has taken place. If after 24 hours you still can't see your new category, this is what you need to do. Clear your web cache. You may have an issue with your web cache. Web cache is a temporary data that gets stored on your device to speed things up, but can prevent you from seeing the most recent information in your account. To see the most up-to-date web data, you simply need to clear your web cache. Here is how you do this on 2 of the main web browsers, starting with Safari. Close everything that's open on your phone and then access the Safari browser. Once you're in there, tap the book icon at the bottom of the screen. That will give you access to your history. Click on the clear button and tap the all-time option. And that will clear all your history. Now, once you've done that, just relaunch your Instagram app and verify if your business category has been updated. Let's now do this on Chrome. Once again, close your Instagram app and everything else that you've got open. Tap on the Chrome browser. Tap the 3 dots at the top right of your screen. Then tap the History option. You should now see a Clear Browsing Data option at the bottom of your screen. Tap it. Tap the Clear Browsing Data option. Tap the Clear Browsing Data option once more, and then you will receive a confirmation that your data has actually been cleared. Relaunch Instagram and see if the category has been updated. If you still can't see your new category, try this. Switch from Instagram business account back to a personal account, then back to business again. Tap the clog on the top right of the Instagram screen. Scroll down and tap the Switch Back to Personal Account option. You should see a warning message saying you will lose insight from previous promotion. If you are happy with that, tap the Switch Back option, then repeat the process of the setting up a business account. If that fails too, Simply try removing Instagram app entirely and then reinstall. That's it. I hope you find this video useful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it. If you have any questions or comments, post them below and I will respond to them.